How to fix Fortnite Festival track not syncing to beat. So to fix the Fortnite Festival track that is out of sync, the first thing what you can do is load into the festival main stage or jam stage backstage area. Then tap the menu icon or approach the NPC or MPC next to the song selection menu. Then select tune up and look for optimize manually at the bottom of the screen or reset both values to 0 as a clean baseline. You can also run the interactive auto calibrator or adjust the sliders by small increments while playing a familiar test track until visual note hits match the audio bits. Now the next thing what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and then turn off Bluetooth headphones, because as wireless audio introduces severe inherent lag on mobile devices. So just switch to wired headphones or built-in phone speakers. Now the next thing what you can do is lower the graphics settings. High graphic presets cause frame drops and micro slotters that desync the visual highway from the backing track. Now the next thing what you can do is swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher, then close all the background apps because this helps to maintain a steady frame rate. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.